Restarting your journey on TikTok can be the fresh start you need to boost engagement, reach new audiences, and redefine your online presence. Whether you're looking to pivot your content, clean up your profile, or simply breathe new life into your personal brand, restarting on TikTok is easier and more rewarding than you might think. Let's dive into the steps and strategies to make your TikTok revival a smashing success. First, take a moment to reflect on why you want to restart. Are you aiming to target a new audience, shift your niche, or just leave behind old content that no longer represents you? Understanding your motivations is key. This clarity will guide every decision you make moving forward, from the type of videos you create to the way you engage with followers. If you're looking to truly wipe the slate clean, consider deleting your old videos. Go through your profile and remove any content that doesn't fit your new vision. This might feel daunting, but remember, every creator evolves. Deleting or archiving old videos gives you a blank canvas and ensures your followers see only the content that reflects your current goals. Next, update your profile. Revamp your bio to reflect your new direction. Choose a profile picture and username that align with your new brand identity. Your bio is prime real estate. Use it to announce your comeback, highlight your passions, or hint at the fresh content you'll be sharing. Consistency in branding across your profile will make your restart clear and exciting to both new and existing followers. Now, it's time to plan your content strategy. Research the latest trends, sounds, and hashtags dominating TikTok. Identify what's working in your new niche or what inspires you the most. Create a content calendar to keep yourself consistent and organized. Remember, the TikTok algorithm loves regular posting and engagement, so aim to upload at least a few times a week. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats, whether it's tutorials, challenges, or behind-the-scenes glimpses, until you find what resonates best with your audience. Engagement is everything on TikTok. When you restart, take the opportunity to interact with your followers in new ways. Respond to comments, participate in trending challenges, and duet or stitch with other creators. This not only boosts your visibility, but also helps you form connections in the community. The more you engage, the more your content will be pushed to new viewers. If you're serious about kickstarting your growth, consider leveraging the power of Famety. With over a decade of experience helping creators and brands grow their social media presence, we offer services tailored for TikTok and beyond. Whether you need a quick boost in likes, a surge of new followers, or increased engagement through comments and shares, Famety has your back. Our wide range of services ensures you can focus on creating while we handle the growth. Don't forget to monitor your analytics. TikTok's built-in insights can show you what's working and what's not. Track your views, engagement rates, and follower growth to see which videos perform best. Use this data to refine your strategy, double down on successful formats, and continuously improve your content. Finally, stay energized and authentic. TikTok thrives on creativity and personality. Your unique voice is your superpower. Let it shine in every video. Embrace the learning curve, be patient with yourself, and celebrate small wins along the way. Remember, a fresh start on TikTok is more than just deleting old videos. It's about embracing new possibilities, staying consistent, and connecting with a global audience. And with Famety by your side, you're never alone on your journey to TikTok success.